Often in silence, addiction tears apart families and can devastate lives. But for one Indianapolis woman, walking through the doors of a local recovery center was the first step toward saving her life. Tonight, she shares her story with our Nicole Griffin, hoping to help others who are struggling.
I'm here with my family, and I'm walking through a door and not see them for 31 days.
Molly Pope is an alumna at Recovery Centers of America, Indianapolis.
I can honestly tell you that this alumni group is what keeps me sober today.
She spent 31 days at RCA. Her sober date is 11/4/2023.
What was the point where you said, like, I need to go get some help?
I was sick and tired of being sick and tired. When I came to RCA Indianapolis, I weighed 102 pounds. I barely could walk into the facility. My body was shutting down. And had it not been for Recovery Centers of America, I would not be here doing this interview with you today.
RCA opened in Indianapolis in 2020 off Township Line Road on the northwest side.
We're very centrally located, so it's easy for us to help patients access care, from South Bend to Evansville, Terre Haute.
RCA leaders invited WRTV to the full-service treatment campus.
The opposite of addiction is connection,
where they are marking a milestone. They have served nearly 5,000 patients in the last 5 years.
Hoosiers are still struggling with addiction and mental health issues, and being able to get those services is so important for that recovery process.
A lot of people have lost a lot of their family and friends because of their decisions.
Rebecca Shea is the alumni coordinator.
My sober date's 9/8/2022.
She works directly with women like Molly long after they leave RCA.
You didn't have to worry about me.
It's the community, right? But it's also about showing people that we can live, we can have fun, we can do fun things and not have to go back to old habits.
Why is it important for you to share your story?
Because alcohol totally consumed my life. It had taken my life away from me.
Molly hopes her story speaks directly to young men and women struggling with addiction.
I did not get sober till I was 58. Do it while you can when you're young, because I missed a lot of time with my daughters because I chose alcohol over my family.
She says she learned it wasn't entirely her choice and that alcoholism is a disease.
Thank you so much.
Something RCA has helped her see. Nicole Griffin, WRTV.
In Indiana, about 500,000 people, or 1 in 12 Hoosiers, live with a substance use disorder. That is according to the State Commission to Combat Substance Use Disorder. In Indiana, you can dial 211 to be connected to mental health or substance use disorder treatment. All right.